Hi, let's see how we can create a JSON to CSV converter with the ChatGPT or equivalent AI coding tools. So if you see this, I already have asked it to create it. So this is the link. I asked to create this. I asked to return in a single file and write the code in HTML, CSS, JavaScript. And also ask how to test it and give the JSON CSV file. If you don't understand what is JSON CSV, you can also ask that. This is the code it generated. I strongly suggest you read the code, at least high level, understand the concept. If you are a student, even if you are an entrepreneur or a marketer or whatever you are, save the file. So double click and open in the browser. That we can do also. You can test it manually as a local also, like this. I saved it here. I can open it also. Copy path, or I can drag into the browser also. It's not working. Why? Because we have copied the path. The double quotes are there. You have to remove it. So this is how it is working locally. But I uploaded to, I created an account in the simplehost.com. It's simple. Then let me show how it to create. So we have to sign up for free. Then we continue with Google. Then after that, whatever the tool you want to build, you can give the name of the tool. For example, JSON to CSV. If it is not there, it might not work because the domain should be subdomain should be there, right? So if it is already taken, you have to go with some one, two, three other number or name, give name, whatever the name you want, suffix or prefix, okay, and upload the file. So you can zip, how to zip it and upload it. So how to zip it? You already have a place the code. This is a file, right? You can manually upload it also, but it accepts a zip file. Then you have to compress it, create a zip file, and upload that. Okay, so like this, and show the zip enter domain. Sometimes it's not happening. Just try to refresh. Still in beta stage. JSON to CSV1. Name of the file. Go to this. Just now created a zip file. So select this and deploy site. So it's deploying. It will take some time. You can see now HTTPS JSON to CSV1 SimplHost. You can open it and you can see it's working. So how to test now? So example, simple array of object JSON input. Copy this, paste here. You can see name is Alice, Bob, age is 25, city Delhi, and other names also. We have to convert into CSV format. CSV formats are each object will convert into a row, each separated with comma, and there will be a header at the top like a name, age, and other things. That is what we expected. You can see the expected output like name, age, and c. So let convert now. Sometimes it might not work. That's fine. You try double time, triple time, or you refresh it. Okay, convert now. Right, the button is not working. Sometimes it happens. I tried it myself. It happens a couple of times, but generally it will convert to the format like this. So you can also try clear and one more time. Maybe try convert. It's working, right? You can see it's converted. You can download it also. You can see I already downloaded once. It was show. That's why showing data one. Okay, so that's it. Take care.